I tried the 10-10-10 method for 7 days, and this absolutely shocked me. I know it will shock you too. I know you will be amazed at how effective it is at manifesting your intentions, desires, and goals. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. We're flying in the direction of your dreams and goals with this 10-10 method. It's absolutely astonishing. I can't believe how easy it is to do and how you can start using it right now to manifest what you desire. You're going to have to excuse me. I have a little bit of laryngitis, and so my voice may go out and sound like this later on in the video. The 10-10-10 method. Now, before we get into this, I want to remind you that now is a great time to claim your free 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching. Visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. We have all kinds of resources there, but you can sign up and get your free 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching right now. Look, we believe that you deserve the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health and happiness you depend upon. Lawofattractionsolutions.com. So high flyers, the 10-10 method, I mean, it works really like magic. What you're going to need is you're going to need a notebook, and every 11 lines, you're going to draw a thick line. That's the easiest way to get started with this. You're going to write an affirmation or a statement of truth, a statement of a new reality, except you're going to write it as if it's already happened. For example, you might say, I'm so grateful that I received my new dream job, and I'm very happy where I'm working. It's past tense. It's not like I want it, I hope for it, maybe it will come. It's past tense. I'm grateful that I've already received it. And you're going to write that statement of truth or that affirmation 10 times right there. And that's going to be the past. Then in the second box here, you're going to write the same affirmation 10 times, but you're going to write it in present tense. I am receiving my new opportunity to work at my dream job, or whatever language you want to put it in. Now, if you're looking to attract a specific person, you might say in the past tense is, I'm so glad that my specific person has decided we belong together. Middle, present would be, my specific person is calling and texting me all the time, wanting my attention. And then we go to the third section, and the third section is the future. And here's where you're going to affirm that what you desire is now coming into your life. And so you might write something like, I know my career is growing and opportunities are opening up for me every day. You get the idea? And this can apply to anything. You can use this technique for anything. And again, I apologize for my voice. It's a little rough, but here we go. So 10, past, 10, present, 10, future. How long will that take you to write those down? 10 minutes at the most. But do not write them out on the computer. The universe needs to have your handwriting involved, have your energy, your body involved in the creation of these affirmations. So what I suggest you do is do these in the evening. You can do them anytime you want, but this is my suggestion. Do them in the evening and then carry around this piece of paper with you. And then maybe in the morning, Just read them again, past, present, and future. And then in the afternoon, read them again, past, present, and future. And then in the evening, rewrite them again or use a different affirmation. You're not locked into the same affirmation. But I'm going to give you some key points now to making this work for you. This is going to go viral because this technique is so powerful that everybody's going to start using it. But if you don't remember these key points, you might not get the most out of this technique. Number one is feel the emotions. The stronger the emotional connection with what you desire, having already received it, receiving it, or knowing that it's coming to you. Feel those emotions. Those emotions send out 3 different energy signals to the universe, helping you manifest what you desire quicker, faster, more effectively. The stronger your emotional connection, the better it's going to be, the more effective it's going to be, and the sooner you're going to see it manifesting in the 3D world. Next, be specific. Be specific. When you talk about what it is you desire, don't say, I just want to be happy, or I just want to feel good, or I just want to have a good relationship. Be specific. Be clear to the universe so that the universe knows exactly what to bring you. Well, next, high flyers, is belief and trust. You've got to trust the process. And I would do this. Look, I think you can do this for a few days and see incredible results. I did. I saw results the first day. I was shocked. But you could see, really, even with tough things to manifest, you could see some incredible results in a few days. So just stay with it. Don't give up on it. And finally, repetition. That's why I suggest that you write it at night. You do it 10 times in the morning, 10 times in the afternoon, and then, of course, you write them out 10 times at night. I think that's a winning formula, and I think that's more than enough repetition, especially when you're adding emotion and feeling to it. And you're taking it from 3 different perspectives: past, present, and future tense. I mean, the universe literally can't be confused about what you desire. Now, I'd like you to use this technique for a while and then share it down below. Share the results, or hey, even better yet, what is your intention? What is your affirmation using past? What is your affirmation using present? And what is your affirmation using future? Give me some examples of what you're going to do. And then when you start doing it, come back here every day or two and share an update as to how things are going. Because I think this is it. This is a hot way to manifest. Speaking of hot ways to manifest, I've got a video coming up next that I think you'll love it. Here it is.